I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing with another recruiting tip of the month. And today we're going to talk about ghosting. So I get questions all the time. Joe, are your candidates going to just disappear after they've said that they were going to come in? And I can tell you that that's not a recruiting problem. That's more of a follow-up and retention problem. So here's a couple of hints to follow with respect to that. When you do make contact, keep contact with those applicants as much as you possibly can. Try to get them to immediately say, let's do a test drive. Come on in, let's look around, let me show you some of the people, our equipment, etc., because it's important. And then be like a dentist or like a doctor where you constantly keep up with, okay, you're going to be in today at 3 o'clock. Let's make sure that we're all aligned, etc. So it's real important to be able to do that, because just casually saying, okay, let's get together, somebody else may be much more aggressive with them and get them in there quicker, and the next thing you know is you've been ghosted. So I hope that helps you, and I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing. Call me 7 days a week, all the way up till 8:30 in the evening Eastern Time every day, including Saturdays and Sundays. Thanks, and have a great business day.